Hello, this is Ibrahim, and I'm going to talk about WebMind Innovation Hackathon. So the thing is that, like most of the participants wanted to know how to use reimagine.web and also how to do the submission and also how the technique criteria will work. So I'm going to talk about these critical parts for you. So first of all, this is our main site on the dev post. You can see the link. This is the main link. Okay. So when how you can use the imagine.web. So basically you just have to go to this link that we are already added here. Okay. So just simply do the sign in that we do with the Google, and here you go. You are signing. Now the second step, uh, we have to be premium to use this uh, our technology very well. So what I'm going to do that it's maybe doing something. Okay, but I'm going to just refresh this and I am going to the pricing page. What you have to do, I am again shown. Just go to this pricing page, click on this set my website analysis. After that, what you have to do, just make sure you can see that the price. Just click on the add promotion, and I have already created one promo code for you. Okay, so just make sure I'm gonna send you over to your email as well. Obviously, just click on apply, and here you go. You can see that it's already applied. Now you don't have to add any credit card. Here you have to add your email. I'm gonna add my name, just my address. Make sure you add your complete address. I'm just putting the information. Your it should be your zip code. Okay, just complete this order. I don't want this, and this is the simple process where you will get your premium for the reimagine.web. Okay, once it's done, now I am in a premium. Okay, once it's done, what I'm gonna do that I'm gonna copy this website. This is the preliminary landscaping website. I don't know, like just a random website from the Google. So there was a one confusion. First of all, I want you to say like what is like reimagine.web. So first of all, just copy any website from Google and click on analyze. It is going to analyze your website text. So try to understand what I'm trying to say. I will say again. So when you put someone's website link or your project's website link, it is going to analyze the complete text. Okay, and then it will try to do the analysis based on SEO and will give you the some instructions, some suggestions. Okay, and will obviously you will get more conversions based on that. So like there was one confusion, like if you wanted to use any website you want, and also one more thing, if you wanted to use any lovable v0 bolt.new or maybe emergent kind of websites you can use, just make sure they are public. So I can show you, if you go to this list, you can see that I just made one of the website. I can go to the public, it's already public. I can open in a new tab. Okay, so I can copy, I can use this website as well. If I like, I will give this link to my reimagine.web. It is going to do the text analysis for me. Obviously I have already started, so let's see. It can take up to like 3 minutes, sometime 2 to 3 minutes and 4 minutes, and it is going to give you the text analysis as well as your website color palettes. Okay, and the complete layout structure. So it is doing meanwhile we can talk about how to do the submission. Okay, so you just have to click on the create project. First of all, we have to just complete this captcha. Hopefully I did the right. Okay, oh my god, I don't know, but let's see. Okay, I'm done. So let's start the project. First of all, what you have to do, you have to add the project title, your elevator pitch, as I have told you, your 200 characters project about, like what is project about. Just put 200 characters. Okay, it's written here. I just put example, and here you can edit and can add a thumbnail for your project as well. Save and continue, and then you will be in the project detail tab. Here, make sure talk about these things. We have already added these things, like we talk about what other thing that you have to upload while you are doing the submission. You can see in our landing page as well, like Here you can see that in the overview. But when you are doing, make sure here in the start add what track you are doing, like is it track 1, track 2, or track 3. Okay, so make sure put that, okay, I'm joining and I'm submitting this project with the track 1, so we can analyze easily. Okay, so that is really important. Then add all the thing like the what how you do that, what it is about, what is the problem statement, or maybe challenge you ran into, etc, etc. And then build with, just like let's say I have made my project on Next.js, you can put the technologies and whatever it is. Okay, here you have to upload your GitHub link, like your code base link. If you have made your website on Lovable, you can like get the GitHub from there as well and just put the link there, so we can see that. Make sure your GitHub is public so we can check your Git. And also make sure you also add your live app, your like deploy link also. And here you can upload your images or screenshots or maybe your slides, so we can see that if you wanted to upload. And the last, that is optional but that is important, make sure you upload your video. What you can do, just record the video and make sure you talk about clearly about your problem statement solution. If you wanted to add your reimagine.web integration, like how you use that, you can add. Okay, after adding that, you have to like make sure to upload the video on YouTube and just put the link there. And after that, there is nothing. If once you're gonna click on the save and continue, it will show you the like the make sure you have done all the thing. If you have done, just click and save and continue. And one of the interesting thing is, before 15th of October you can edit anytime. Okay, but once the time is up, you cannot do the editing. Okay, so make sure within 5 days you complete your project and make sure you edit all the things that should be there. So that is about the submission, how you do that. It's really simple and straightforward. But let's go to our website. It did not did that. Is it was this? Okay, it was like not this one, this was a tab. So can you see that? First of all, it get the copy of the website, so we can go to the actual website. So it is pretty good, like it could the website, and it give me this suggestion. Can you see this? I can just zoom in. It's just saying the personalized CTS test, get my fresh free estimate or schedule my. So it is saying like we have to change this to this. Like maybe there should be some button. I just don't want to spend so much time, but you get the idea. So this is the main thing. This is the main thing Reimagine is doing, just doing the text analysis for you. So what you can do, if you are working solely, like you are making your website on Vercel or something, you can read this and based on this try to improve. Otherwise, if you are on Lovable and I have done this website, you just can paste there and it will analyze that website for you, like based on the text analysis, and it will update for you. And then you just click on this update. Okay, and your updated your project link will be updated as well. So that is about the Reimagine. It's very straightforward, easy. And also make sure like watch this video for the more information. Also, these are the 4 steps that will give you very much good idea about that. And the last thing is judging. So if you go to our landing page, go to the last after judgings, you can see that. So here we talk about judging criteria. The first thing is innovation and creativity. So that is 20%. So whatever the track that you have choose, make sure you are creative, you are innovative. Like let's say I am in your website, I can see that Kate, you show something that hit. Maybe I have checked 20 website and your website and your landing page or maybe your here section looks creative, looks different as compared to generic one. Then the technical implementation, obviously I'm going to check your website code as well. That is really important, how you implement, what was the thing. So we're going to give you the 20, that will be the 20% of your complete judging. Then the impact and value, obviously the track that you have choose, we will talk about what is the impact and the value that your project is adding. Then the design and UX, obviously user experience and the UI is really important. Make sure one of the general example most students, most beginners did is they don't really think about design consistency. And also like sometime I have opened my website on dark mode, sometime I open my website on white mode. So make sure it is very consistent, it has those things, and also it should be responsive. And the second last is presentation. Presentation is really important, as I already told you in when I was like trying to explain to you about the project submission. Like make sure your complete video talk about all the things. It is really important because judges don't have so much time. So your video is really important. and it can be 5 minutes max or maybe 6, but make sure you talk about all the things. And the last thing, learning journey. Here you can talk about like what are the challenges. Maybe you learned something new, you did something that was challenging for you, there was some error, there was some technology that you did. So just talk about that so we can see that, and we'll give you 10 out of whatever the interesting thing that you have done inside. Obviously it will be text, so make sure the text that you are putting when you are submitting, it is really important. And then lastly, I want to talk about this LinkedIn post. To make sure when you are doing the LinkedIn post. Okay, one thing is I'm going to add my links here so you can easily access our these three judges. It is one of Ibrahim is me posts like my LinkedIn URL. So you can just tag us when you are posting on LinkedIn. So make sure when you are like posting on LinkedIn, your post should be very consistent towards like you are maybe make a one video, you have a screenshots, maybe you did something, so your post should be very good so we can see that yeah, it is interesting post. And also you should be able to get most like and impressions so you can win the prize. And that's it from my side. Thank you so much. And after this with the video, I'm also sending you the coupon codes, all of you. Okay, thank you.